welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews. And I was talking with my friend Michelle the other day, who loves Aldi as much as I do, and she said I should compare the red bag chicken from Aldi to Chick-fil-A. So that's not the name of the chicken. It's Kirkwood breaded chicken breast fillets. But I belong to a Facebook group called AldiNerd.com community. It has over like 1 million people, and I have to say, it is the nicest group on Facebook. Always very nice to each other. Nobody's putting anyone down. The past few weeks, Aldi's had these swimsuits, and women have been buying them and posting pictures, all shapes, all sizes, and everyone has been very nice to each other. It's been very refreshing. So you get a bag of the red chicken at Aldi. It's $5.99. There's 5 pieces in here. And you get this 4-pack of brioche buns. They were $2.49. And pickles, of course. So here is the one that I made. And here is, and I do love Chick-fil-A, but maybe you don't have a Chick-fil-A nearby, you don't want to wait in the line, you don't want to pay the price, whatever. So here is the Chick-fil-A. Let me get these up close. Here is the Aldi. Close. I did air fry it at 400 for about 14 minutes. And here is the Chick-fil-A. Of course, the pickles. Both our buns are toasted. All right, let's give them a try. I'm gonna start with the Chick-fil-A first. Always a fan. Love the pickles. Chicken's always tender, juicy. Definitely in a lineup of chicken sandwiches, I would know that was a Chick-fil-A sandwich. Okay. It is very good. This chicken is very good. It's juicy. The outside was crispy. I will say about this chicken, this is a lot better than some of the other breaded bag chickens I've had. Like Tyson, I don't like Tyson at all. The chicken, there's something weird about the chicken. I'm talking about Tyson's breaded chicken like you can get in the bag. I don't like Perdue either. I think it's Perdue. So I'm not a big fan. So I was skeptical about getting this because whenever I buy the other ones, everyone in my house complains. But this one, actual chicken, it's really good. It's good. Does it taste like Chick-fil-A? No. No. And all the comments that I read, because I guess this might sell out pretty fast because people are pretty excited when they find it. A lot of people think it tastes like Chick-fil-A. I don't get that. I mean, yes, it's a chicken sandwich, but it has that in common. But as far as the flavor, Chick-fil-A definitely has a, you might marinate their chicken in pickle juice. So you kind of get, that's like the distinct flavor of Chick-fil-A. Don't get me wrong. This one's good, but when you compare the two, I was like, oh, I'm craving a Chick-fil-A sandwich. I don't think this would satisfy that craving. But if you were looking for a good chicken sandwich, this would be good. But the difference in price might make this one taste better. Because the Chick-fil-A sandwich is $3.75, but with tax it was $4.12. The chicken, for the bag of chicken, it was $5.99, and the brioche buns were $2.49. Plus the tax, it was $9.05. So when I broke it down per sandwich, this was $1.82 versus $4.12. So definitely a better deal. And this fly is still in my house. Okay, so the red bag chicken at Aldi, I will give a thumbs up. It's good, but does it taste like Chick-fil-A? No, but it's a good chicken sandwich. If you've had it, let me know. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you think it tastes like Chick-fil-A, tell me. And be sure to check out, if you're on Facebook, check out that the Aldi Nerd.com community. It's a great page to follow, and you can post things if you find things at Aldi. You can post things and let people know. So yeah, anyway, that's just my 2 cents. Still like my Chick-fil-A a little bit better. All right, so that brings me to not the question of the day. You might remember my Little Caesars video. I also reviewed some cookies at the end that I received from Iris. Well, she sent me some other cookies, and I'm gonna try those now. So here is the rest of the stuff that Iris has sent me. These are Koya Maria cookies. You know, I've heard of this brand before, but I guess I didn't realize they make cookies. I've used the, I think they have like a marinade that I've used before. Right, so these are a product of Spain, but they are made in New Jersey. We also have the chocolate Maria cookies and the Pomeritas. These look similar to me. It's called Pommiers, I think. But that's made of like a puff pastry dough. And then she also sent me these Rositas crackers. Sent a note with it. She said, "Hi Kathy, my grandma would buy these Puerto Rican cookies when I was a kid. Enjoy," from Iris. All right, so I think I'm gonna try these first. These are interesting. It's like a little cracker with maybe like a what do you want to call it, icing on top. Oh, look at that. I don't know if the different flavors. Oh yeah, look. It looks like a cracker with some icing. So maybe get the salty and the sweet. I don't know. Yeah, the icing is like a royal icing, so it's hard. And then you have like a cracker. I don't know what to compare these to. Not like an oyster cracker. It's not as salty as that. But you do get the, they have different colors. White, yellow, and pink. But the cracker does have a little salt, but it's not super salty. And then you get the sweetness of the icing. I'm gonna break my teeth. I really didn't get any flavor from the icing. I think it's just the coloring is different. These are very interesting. They're good. Like I said, like the sweet and the salty. Just don't break your teeth is all. Yeah, those are good. I'm gonna try the Maria cookies. It's very nice. She sent me 2 packs of each. I'm trying to think what I could, if you could like make something out of these, like out of a crust or something. I don't know. For some reason I thought they were gonna be thicker cookies, but these are very thin. Koya Maria. It looks like a cracker. This is a cookie. This is a cookie, right? Yeah, cookies. Has a very mild flavor. It's almost, let's compare it to maybe like an animal cracker. Almost get a hint of like a graham cracker. This would be good with some marshmallow cream. Sandwich them together. That'd be really good because it kind of does have a hint of a graham cracker. Yeah, just, but like the texture is more like of a cracker, like if you were eating, I don't know, a Ritz cracker or something. Huh. I could see them like going with like coffee or tea. Not that I drink either, but I could see other people doing it. If you're a dunker. My dad loves to dunk. So now these are the chocolate Maria cookies. Okay. So I wonder if they'll remind me of like a chocolate graham cracker. It's actually a stronger chocolate than I thought it would be. This would be good with marshmallow cream too, because these aren't like super sweet. Like I said, it's more like an animal cracker. Animal crackers aren't super sweet, and that's kind of what this, or like a graham cracker is not super sweet. That's what it's like to me. It's interesting. Obviously, I like it because I'm still eating it. But I could see this like being, crunching it up and using it for like a crust and like a cheesecake or something like that. All right, now these Pomeritas. Like I said, the other ones that I was talking about, they're like the puff pastry, the pommiers, I think is what it's called. There's like sugar on top. And I think these might have the same thing. So I'm thinking these are going to be sweeter than the Marias. Yeah, you can see that. If you can see the sugar on it there, but it's thin. It's interesting because, like I was talking about the other ones that are made of puff pastry, because puff pastry has the layers, and this is lighter, more flakier than the Maria cookies. So I think that's kind of it's kind of along the same lines as the pommiers that I was talking about. These are Pomeritas, so still not as sweet as I was expecting, but it is a little sweeter. And the flakiness, it kind of reminds me more of like a townhouse cracker, where it's a little flakier. I guess these are from Spain, so I don't think they like their desserts as sweet as we do. So I think that's why I'm thinking about putting like marshmallow cream in between to sweeten them up some. But yeah, they're good. I like them. Thank you, Iris. I really appreciate it. Now I need to find something to make with these. If any of you all have any suggestions, let me know what I could do with all these cookies. Like I said, I could make like a pie crust out of some of them. I don't know, give me some ideas and maybe I'll make something out of it. I don't know, I haven't made a dessert in a while, so let me know in the comments below what you think. All right, so thank you again, Iris. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about hitting that red subscribe and the bell for notifications. Fly. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and I will see you next time. Bye.